You just started a business. Congratulations! Now let's talk about insurance. I know. It's not a glamorous topic of discussion, and at times, even seems like a waste of money. It's not, by the way. But you absolutely need insurance. Well, what type of insurance do you need? It's not that simple. There are a multitude of coverage types to select from, and you'll generally need a combination of coverages. You'll need general liability coverage. General liability will typically cover premises liability, products completed operations, small third-party medical expense claims, and property damage you're liable for. If you own property, you'll want a property policy to cover your building if you own it, business personal property in or near your premise, and even business income coverage to help offset a loss of income due to a covered cause of loss. You can also purchase an inland marine equipment floater policy to cover mobile equipment and tools. If you're going to own autos in the business name or rent or borrow autos for purposes of your business, you'll need a commercial auto policy. In some cases, carriers can offer policies that include all of these lines of coverage under one policy, such as a business owner's policy or a package policy. But cool your jets. While these are the most common lines of coverage for a business when starting out, there are other lines to consider. Workers' compensation and employer's liability is needed to protect your employees and you. Did you know? Texas is the only state that does not mandate workers' compensation coverage be in place. And there are 4 monopolistic states where coverage can only be purchased from the state fund: North Dakota, Ohio, Washington, and Wyoming. If you have a board of directors, you may want to consider directors and officers liability coverage. If you're involved in a business with professional services, which are typically excluded in a general liability policy, you'll need professional liability coverage. If you have employees, employment practices liability may be needed as well. This coverage protects you against such claims as discrimination or wrongful termination. An even bigger growing need is cyber coverage. Those pesky hackers. Maybe go outside and touch some grass and feel the sun on your skin instead of stealing our data. Sorry, I got worked up. Where was I? Oh yeah, in years prior, cyber coverage had been relatively low in cost, but many people felt there was no need for this coverage, stating things like, "I'm not in the cyber world," or "I don't use the internet for business." But the issue that many businesses miss is you don't have to be in the computer world or an e-commerce company to have a cyber claim. Someone can hack your system by clicking on the wrong email. Any personal information stored or critical banking information could be compromised. In today's market, the costs for cyber coverage are increasing as cyber claims and news of attacks continue to increase. As you can see, there are plenty of options for businesses to cover the various risks and perils your business will face, and this isn't even close to everything. It's important to discuss these aspects with your insurance agent or representative to ensure you are properly covered. So next time you go up to an agent and say, "I started a business, give me insurance," remember that it's not that simple.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more content like this, visit our website. Stay tuned for more episodes to come. Thanks for watching.